Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today with my mom, we're going to eat pizza at Domino's. So we're going there to go at the station or train station. So we're going. We'll see you guys at Domino's. So now we reach Domino's. Here at Domino's. Let's go. Pew. So we're here at Domino's. My mom is ordering. So I ordered a pizza Hawaii like Hawaii, I heard that things. This is the work stuff. Going pay. So the pizza will come in 10 minutes. So yeah, you're waiting patiently. So the pizza arrived. This is a vegetarian pizza and this is my Hawaii pizza. Let's go and eat. Let's dig in.